And then all you have to do
Wait, wait,
is
wait. Did you have is that going to be you in there or no you?
know me.
Oh, no you. Okay. Yeah. You don't always have to put yourself in it.
I mean, you can do that if you so choose. For example purposes, I'm okay with this. So I can now go to my posts because again, there's the post, there's the likes and the cameos. And you can see if you go to your drafts, this is spinning. That means that it's working. The Keebler elves are running around. They're trying to bake the cookies. They're trying to get things done. And they're trying to make everything that you had just put in there. Now, the one thing to note, you can only do two of these at a time. And as you probably saw, it gave us a lot of prompts in how I set this up. Well, here's the great thing. You can now go to HeyGen and you can work on one of those. Well, these two are processing. We can be time efficient. We can be in the I'm going to make content mode. And here's the even better part. Some of these, you don't even have to have it be anything like this. You can make it where when we were talking about B-roll, where it's like, hey, I want, someone walking out of a Houston dude ranch and, wiping the dirt off of them, having just water fall over them. Then they're in a suit and they
Yeah.
step into a limousine and suddenly they're at a Red Sox game. And you
Ridiculous.
see that natural transition of going from one and getting glowed up to the other and being, in a great upgraded situation. So that's where what we want to do is make sure that what we're doing is thinking about all the diverse ways that we can do something, all of the fun ways that we can do something, but all the time effective ways that we can do something. Because at the end of the day, guys, this is not about necessarily having fun with video, making silly things, making it where you're in your dreams some 49ers football fan with like the tightest of tight pants ever. It's where what you can do is use it in your creative process for getting business, for making it where anybody that's looking for you sees your personality,
How
sees,
artificial intelligence is translating
yeah, I did that too, Kirby. It's okay.
okay. Okay.
Um, but the other thing is it can be fun. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I have my HeyGen avatar saying some filthy, terrible things to some of my friends that I sent them as a text message video. And, it's absurd and it's awesome. And I am not going to show you on a recording. But if you text me, I might be willing to make one for you that is truly ridiculous. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pitch it over to Kirby. He's been waiting very patiently. He has some great things in our more, toned down chat GPT that is also actually going to be helpful in our processes, in our day-to-day business, and in what we're doing. So again, guys, what I would love for you guys to do is to push the boundaries with this, to try it, to work on it, and to circle back and tell us what your results were.
Cool. Thank you, Joe.
I've
And
never seen Kirby look so good, man.
I know. While Joe was doing his thing, I took the prompts and I started to make it. So I just made this right now, these ones, right? I'm Kirby Chan. Help. I'm Kirby Chan. I help Richmond Hill families downsize with ease so you can move forward to your next chapter stress-free. Let's make your next move your best one yet. I'm Kirby Chan. I help Rich. So you see the same shirt I'm wearing, right? It's just, I just made the cameo now with the shirt and then with Joe's prompt here, you know, did that. So this could be B-roll. I can send it to my video editor. As with this one didn't work out, so sometimes it doesn't work out. You could just delete it. This guy doesn't look like me that much, so
You can also remember
yeah.
you can iterate on it. If you remix it,
You could,
you can make the small changes.
yeah, you can make a small change. So every one of these, like if this one here, Joe looks too tall here, way too
Whoa,
tall.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Shots fired.
To share
Shots
how artificial.
fired.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're excited to share how artificial intelligence. Too tall. So I can go over here and go to remix, right? When I go to remix, I can say make Joe shorter.
Yes.
make Kirby taller, right? I could do
Yeah,
that.
so Kirby's gonna say, make Joe waist height and you know, it'll be
Okay,
more
so
accurate.
that's remix here. And what it does is just remixes it. Okay, you could put in another prompt. Over here, you could put in another prompt at the bottom and you could describe changes. So you could change the existing video. So that's why this is so fun, so powerful. And not only that, you can also remix other people's reels over here. I don't know, I still call them reels. But if you look at what other people have done,
Double tap on the video.
right? It'll say, I like this one, but I want me to be the guy cutting the hair. Then I can just go to remix and put Kirby is cutting the hair. That's it. Martin Luther King's here. Have a dream.
Kirby's the only person ever that would not realize it was Bob Ross and say he wants to, you know, replace that gem instead of, the person getting their haircut.
Okay, so all that. So then if I publish it like this, people are gonna see me and Joe here. The funny. Okay. Now if Joe one day says I don't want me to be here, he could revoke the permission or he could delete his cameo and this will be gone. All right. So play around with that. Let me just fix my browser and I'll come back. Just get rid of Sora. All right, let's go to the practical things that we need to work on every day, right? Which is listings. Who loves listings? I love listings. So look at my chat here. I have a project I call Kirby Chan and Co. You can see I've been busy this week. And if you want to see if your agents are busy, just check their ChatGPT, what they're working on. See here, CMA comparison, 11 Tamarack. Okay, I wanted to do a quick CMA on ChatGPT. I created a new chat. And it didn't take too long. Look, it wasn't that long. I just said, let's work on a CMA comparison for 11 Tamarack. Blah, 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 blah. I said, so I went to my MLS and I created a link with the comparables. Okay. I sent that link in. It goes, yes, here's what I can pull from the listing. This is the comparable. Same house, model on the same street, listing price 1.288. 11 Tamarack is the exact same model, but has old basement, old kitchen, old bathrooms, right? So it makes a price range, right? It should be listed at this price. Then I gave it an update. 33 Tamarack sold for 1179. And then blah, 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 blah. So they were wrong over here, right? The pricing, it's way too high. It's sold, our market is dropping, right? So I gave them the listing. So you can post pictures here, you can post links to your listings. And then after that, it created a one-page CMA report for me, 1.1 to 1.15. I like it, yes. And it made me a CMA report. So I can download the 11 Tamarack CMA report. Okay, so what this means is like on my MLS, this is what it looks like. I pulled out all the sales, new, terminated, sold, all these listings. How do I pull it? I just press print or I can create a link. Okay, so up to you guys what you guys want to do. But on my actions here, I can create a share link or a print. If I print, I make a PDF. And then when I go back over here to ChatGPT, I will upload the PDF. Okay. So I'm going to go to, let's see which one. So 11 Gordon Row, we did that already. Property valuation.